Welcome to Guatape. What's going on, family? It's your man Miami Patron here for another video, and like always, I'm coming to you from beautiful Medellin, Colombia. So I definitely got a treat for you guys today. So what I'm gonna be taking you guys along today. I'm going to Guatape. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of YouTube videos about this, but you've never seen a YouTube video from me. All right, so I'm actually gonna be documenting the entire process. I got some sun in my eyes right now. But anyway, so what I'm gonna put a link in the description below. I actually went on freetours.com. I've actually taken a couple tours with them. It's a great resource for those of you that are gonna be traveling in different places. It's a great chance for you to look at the city, go on a tour and different stuff like that. So the tour I went on specifically today is the Guatape tour. So I'll put the link to the exact place below. So for about $21, I think it's like a little bit more than that, 21 euros, I don't know what that is, but like $18 or something like that, you get a tour, guided tour with the bus and everything like that. So for those of you that don't know, Guatape is about 2 hours outside of Medellin. I did not know that until I actually bought the ticket, but hey, we run with it. We always go on the fly, okay? So anyway, so what you do is you're gonna hop on a bus like this, and it's gonna take you to a little city, or we're at a little restaurant right here. There's a bunch of people, like 42 people or so like that on the bus. But anyway, so what we do is we got our first stop here, and we're gonna get some food. I think it's lunch and breakfast are all included. So I'm gonna take you along, we're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna hop on the bus, and then we're gonna head over to Guatape. So see you guys soon. So one of the things that's included, you have a choice of coffee, it comes with a little chocolate, and an arepa with some cheese. So this is included in the meal with the price. So we got done with breakfast, and we hopped on the bus for maybe another 30 minutes or so, and we stopped at this town called Medellin. And this honestly is such a beautiful city. Like, the weather is gorgeous and it's very colonial. So I didn't get any of the him talking on video because I'm trying to enjoy it while I'm here. But essentially this place was part of the Civil Revolution, and so basically there's a lot of influence from the Civil Revolution and also Catholic. So we're actually right here in front of a big old church right here, but around it's super beautiful, a lot of dogs running around, beautiful weather, and it just feels super small townish, you know, not like touristy, but super small townish. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe get some visuals of this. I'm gonna get some juice, and then we're gonna hop onto the next park, which will be Guatape. So we have arrived. If you look at that, look how massive the rock is. So that is one of the most beautiful views. That is the stairs going up to the top of the rock. I mean, it's weird they call it a rock. I would call it more like a huge freaking mountain, but I guess apparently it's over 700 steps. So we're gonna be going ahead and taking a nice little walk. So this is gonna be an exercise. They said if you're not very athletic, that you could do it in about 20 minutes, but your boy's gonna make it a little bit faster. But anyways, guys, so the bus was very comfortable right over here, about 2 hours or so. Look at this amazing view over here as well. So, you know, it was fun, nice little drive. So we're gonna meet up with the crew, with the group here, and then we're gonna take up the rock. I want you to understand how beautiful the views are here in Colombia. It is just unreal. The view from my apartment, and this is so tranquil with the blue waters. I thought Miami was beautiful, but look at this. I want you guys to really get a glimpse of this. So right now we're at the base of the rock. Let me show you how massive this thing is. That is how massive this rock is. You know what this view reminds me of? Remember when we were in preschool, little kids, and then there was carpet, and it had there was a city out of the carpet. It was blue and yellow. Sorry, not blue and colors, all that kind of stuff. Usually you drive cars around it. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying, but this is what the view really looks like. It's the clouds mixed with the water, the mountains, all that kind of stuff. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So I went ahead and bought my ticket. So to get up, it's about 18,000 pesos. I don't know what that is, a couple bucks. I'll put the little thing here. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and start up. And I believe the steps are numbered. So let's go ahead and get rolling with it. Well, definitely a workout. We just hit 220, 225. We're going up. We're going up. Make sure you guys hit the gym a couple days before you head up here. But it's still kind of fun. It's like a challenge, right? It's kind of steep, but we're having fun with it. Take a little break. I'm about halfway through. When you hit about halfway, there's this little place where you get some views. Little Virgin Mary. But look at this, guys. Wow. Definitely worth everything. We almost made it to the top. We just hit 625. The last stretch, baby. 650. Here we go. Here we go. So we made it to the top, 750. Nice little workout, as you can see. Totally worth it. Let's go get some views and we'll go from here. So I just shared some beautiful views with you guys. I definitely have to invest in some better equipment, maybe some drones, different audio, that way you guys can get some better views and stuff like this. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna head down the rock and we're gonna head to the town of Guatape, where we can get some beautiful colors. Like the sun is killing me right now. We get some beautiful colors on video. And so we're gonna start heading down another 700 steps. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we made it to the bottom of the rock. Let's go ahead and get some focus on out there. Let's put the focus on there instead of my face. So we made it to the bottom of the rock, and guys, I don't know what was scarier, going up or coming down. I think I'm gonna start a little video of like the stairs going down. It is like spiral, steep going down. And I'm a little bit afraid of heights, so going down was a little bit of a trek, but it was still fun. So now we're gonna hop on the bus and we're gonna head over to the city of Guatape, hopefully get some great colors for you guys. And I'm a little hungry. So what's also included in this tour is not only breakfast, but also lunch. So you have a choice of chicken, fish, or the bandejas paisa, which is the local dish here. So after we're done, we just got done at the bottom of the rock, we're gonna head over, have some lunch, then head to the city. So let's go. Okay, so we just got to the restaurant. So when you get here, what's also included in the tour is free lunch. I wouldn't call it free, you guys were paid for this, right? We have the choice of bandejas paisa, which is like what I got. You get a little ticket like this. You don't want to lose this, or you have to pay for your own, lunch outside of this. So you got chicken. My boy right here, he's about to get some chicken. You got bandejas paisa también. I'm always speaking Spanish too. But the cool thing is we have the little restaurant, and also we have a nice little view of, overlooking the water. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. Oh, also, what's also included is you get this little cane juice. So I actually saw them make this fresh during the Feria de Flores. So basically what they do is they compress the cane, they mix in some, like a sugar cane, mix it with some lime, and it comes out really delicious. And lucky for me, it's my lucky day, I got 2 of them. So I'm gonna enjoy this. So let me show you the view, and then I'll show you when the food gets here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some great video of the beautiful colors you can see here, because right in front of me is actually one of the most popular parts of Guatape. But first of all, I gotta give a shout out to this cinnamon bun. Man, I love cinnamon buns, and this thing is to die for. It's not cinnamon bun quality, but it's still up there, alright? So let's finish this up, and now I'm gonna show you some great colors of this city.
She said yes!
All right, we finally made it to the most famous part here. Let's go get that focus on. Amazing colors. This is probably one of the most colorful cities I've ever seen. Wow, the buildings, the stairs, the walls, everything is done up in color. Look at these colors right here. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's been a long day. From getting on the bus to the first breakfast to the first city, climbing the mountain, now here at this beautiful city of Guatape. I'm gonna go ahead and get some visuals, but I'm a little low-key tired, not gonna lie. Hopefully I can get some energy going on, that way I can provide some vibe for you guys. So one big distinction, if you haven't obviously saw yet, is the amount of colors that is used in the city. And if you guys know about me, you guys see my Instagram account. My Instagram is full of colors. I'm always posting colors on my Instagram. And this is like my favorite city so far because it's just an amazing amount of colors. I thought Miami was colorful, but this place is unreal. So check out these art right now. Anytime I see like art like this, which is like full of colors, full of like life, it just means so much. And I love about this, guy's like going crazy right now. But anyways, what I love about this is I love the black background right here with the colors just dripping. You know, it's just amazing. So when I get my apartment out in Miami, you already know I'm gonna have a bunch of colors on there. Alrighty, so as my time winds down here, I want to show you this. Look at this building right here. That is such a gorgeous building. All right, so let's go ahead and get the focus on here. So let's get some lighting. There we go. So as my time winds down here in Guatape, I really enjoyed this trip. Now, if there's a recommendation that I would give to you if you were to come here, is I would not come here for just one day. There's so much to do here, and this is actually like an entire city. Like there's so much to do, restaurants, places. I know there's a few hostels here as well. So if you were to come here, I would definitely do a one-way ticket and stay out here at least 2 or 3 days. You know, maybe even stay out here a week and explore the different stuff they have in the city. There's so many different bars, cafes, restaurants, you know, water sports. We didn't even touch the water sports. There's wakeboarding, boat tours, so much to do here. You know, when I first heard of Guatape, I thought it was just, you know, like this little day trip. You know, I'm a little sunburned here. I thought it was this little day trip, but no, there's like so much to do here. So that would be my recommendations. This is definitely a city I'm gonna want to come back to with, you know, proper, you know, camera. Because like I said, I film all my videos on my phone with a nice camera, nice drone setup. This will be an amazing video for those, amazing setup for those of you that are, you know, like photos, all that kind of good stuff. But anyways, so that would be my biggest takeaways. Come here for a couple of days, explore. The tour is probably the best option, because for those of you that don't know, in order to get over here via Uber from Medellin, it's about 160,000 pesos. That's one way, okay? To take a bus, it's about 80,000 pesos. But with the tour comes out to, I think it's like maybe 80,000 pesos también, or as well. I'm like mixing Spanish here, as well. But food, you have breakfast included, you have lunch included, the ride there, the ride back, and you get a guided tour. Now you do have to pay for your entrance up to the top of the rock, but other than that, everything else is pretty much free, and you can pretty much get through it. So I'm gonna maybe get a couple more shots here. I'm feeling a little tired. Really productive day. This is a great time where if I was living here in the area, like in a hostel or something, I would definitely want to take a nap, come back out and see the nightlife here, because the city is popping. So much to do, so much to go. All right, guys.